squatties, and welcome to today's 5-minute standing ab workout. And despite the fact this is only 5 minutes and we don't get down on the floor even once, squatties, I can promise you this much: it is going to completely transform your core. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into it because we've got to make the most of every single second. As always, subscribe to the channel and make sure you check out my brand new Lean Squad app. Otherwise, squatties, I want you to meet me at the mat. We're going to start with a cross-body knee drive and hook in 2, in 1. Here we go, squatties. So everything from this moment on is high tempo. We're engaging the entire core. You're driving that knee across, and as you do, you hook over top, okay? So we're going for another 15 seconds here, and then we're gonna go straight into standing cross-body elbow to knee crunch. Come on, squats. Here we go. This is all about tempo while targeting the core. That's what makes a difference. Now 2, in 1, I want hands on head, crunch, left to right, open up and crunch. Challenge yourself, squats. Come on, bring that knee towards that elbow, crunch that core, open up, there we go. Come on, 5 minutes, squats. 5 minutes to make a difference, tone the core, burn some fat. 5 seconds to go. And we're switching sides straight away. In 2, in 1, here we go, other side. There we go. Come on, squat. A lot of people make the mistake of thinking you're gonna get abs and core by just doing some low intensity sit-ups. That is definitely not the way, squat. You have to balance that tempo. Come on, while targeting the right muscles. There we go. 5 seconds to go. You're gonna keep your hands on head. In 2, in 1, now we're going out to in, alternate. 25 more seconds, and we get our first break. Come on, squats. There we go. Holy smokes. Make sure after each crunch, you open up. Lift the chest, and crunch back down. Come on, squats. There we go. 5 seconds, all the way here. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Holy smokes, squats. Oh my gosh. Holy, I gotta hug it out. What a start. Now we're going 3 rounds back to back. You're gonna start diving straight with your hand. We're going forward, knee drive and crunch, okay? 2, 1, again, 25-second rounds. Open up, hands above head. See how I'm stretching that core, then I crunch through. Come on. There we go. You're not surprised. We can barely talk now, squats. Do not be surprised if your core is feeling it tomorrow. Even though this was only 5 minutes. Come on, we're switching sides in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Come on, squats. All the way with me. Awesome work. Driving that knee through, opening up, pushing the tempo. Come on. 10 seconds to go. 8 seconds. Come on. In 5, we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, hands out, crossbody, knee to hand drive. There we go, chest stays up the entire time. You just do a slight little twist over that knee now. Come on, that rotational work. Come on. 10 seconds to go. Come on, take a big deep breath. And if you take a break, you just hop back in whenever you can. Come on, 3, 2, 1, we're coming up to the last 2 minutes. Back to our hook squats. This is a 4 round. Big ear lean high 5. Grab a sip of water. Take a big deep breath. Try and get the heart rate back down. I know it's easier said than done. We're going back into our crossbody knee drive and hook. Everything got 2, 1. Come on, squats. We're here for a lean time, not a long time. There we go, squats. Come on. Low impact. All standing, but changing everything. Come on. 10 seconds to go. And we're gonna go standing single side oblique crunch. Told you we were working the entire core today. In 3, in 2, in 1, here we go. Crunch, knee up to the elbow and to the side. There we go. I'm exaggerating that crunch. Take my time, see how I'm taking my time? Squeezing that oblique. There we go. 10 seconds to go. Awesome work, squats. There we go. 5, switching sides in 3, 2, 1, here we go, other side. Come on. Crunch and open up. There we go, squats. Now, as we come to wrap this up, if you haven't already done so, squats, make sure you check my brand new Lean Squad app. hundreds and hundreds of workouts like this, lean challenges that I do every single way with you. 2, 1, back to all crossbody crunch. There we go, hands across with the twist. 20 seconds, last part of the workout, squats. Come on, push the tempo. But make sure you do squats. In the description below, you can start 7 days free. Choose any of my lean challenges, whether it's with weights, body weight, low impact. 3, 2, 1, shake it out. You can do my on-demand workouts just like this, front squats, but whatever you choose, I'm gonna be there every single step of the way with you. Otherwise, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram at LEANSQUAD. Be proud for getting this one done. Tag me, squatties, and I'll see you back for the next one. Whew.